So, student, we start the next topic, which is all about the soil. It includes soil profile and the factors responsible for the soil formation. So, let's start the topic. What do you mean by the soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of earth crust which support our agriculture. 70% people depend on the agriculture, so soil is highly responsible factor and highly supportive for agriculture. Many primary products we get from the soil like pulses, fruits, vegetables, sugarcane, etc. Also secondary products depend on primary products. Even industries like brick making, pottery depend on soil. So we can say that soil is the most precious part of our earth crust. Now begin the first important point about soil profile. You see in this picture there are different layers. On the basis of their layers, soil profile is divided into different horizons. Soil develops in nearly horizontal layers. The different layers you see here formed the soil, and it is called the soil profile. Generally, there are 4 layers called the horizons. Let us call them A, B, C and R. So our first layer is topsoil, and you see there is a grass. This is our earth surface, and agriculture done on the earth surface. Below the earth surface, it is the topsoil. It includes clay, silt, sand, and also contain humus. What is humus? Humus is the dark layer in the soil. It is formed by the dead animal, plants and vegetation. Humus provides the essential nutrition to the plants. So it is a very important part of soil. It contains organic material as been marked as O in the soil profile. The roots of the plants generally found in this layer only. Next layer is the subsoil. The second layer below the top layer is called the subsoil. Rainwater collect in this layer only. This layer is made up of weathered rock material. It may contain clay, silt and some minerals, nutrients like iron oxides. Third layer. It is called partially weather rocked. It is the third layer from the top. It also consists the weather rocked, and these rocks are slightly bigger than subsoil. It is just above the bedrock. Next and last, bedrock. The bottom layer of the soil profile is the bedrock. It is also called the parent rock because all these layers formation depend on the parent rocks. It is solid unweathered rock which made up of highly bigger size rock materials.